It's Bonnie. Happy Friday night. Oh my gosh, you guys, check out my new shirt. It has got pumpkin pies all over it. I should be reviewing a pumpkin pie candle right now. I'm so excited about these new shirts from Kohl's. These are the ones I like because they're kind of like a stretchy material, and I don't know, they just look really good. I have a whole bunch of new Halloween and fall shirts that I will be wearing, but I was kind of digging this one because of the pumpkin pie thing going on. So I got some new shirts, and I also tonight, oh, by the way, I'm burning the Goose Creek Swiss rolls. That is coming out. But I want to talk about Cozy Vanilla Bourbon because I'm going to compare it to Fireside Flurries now. So I had compared it to Bonfire Bash, which it is not. So I wanted to do a Fireside Flurries comparison because a lot of people think this is a repackage. So I thought I would do that tonight. Also in my fall lineup, I did not put fresh vanilla blossoms in there only because it was kind of new. And I can't really get a handle on this one yet. But this is another new one. It's funny because the packaging on these two definitely matches. They got a little duo going on here. But I will be getting to fresh vanilla blossoms soon. So I gotta say, I love Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. This one is wonderful in the shower. I like it in the mist. It is the warm bourbon, dark fruit, and vanilla liqueur. I was really hoping this was a repackage of the Bonfire Bash because you guys know how much I love Bonfire Bash, and I'm missing it. So it's not a repackage. Closing my eyes and smelling it. Fireside Flurries. Fireside Flurries came out, I think, 2 years ago. A lot of people love this one too. It is toasted marshmallow, pink lavender, and cashmere wood. So I'm going to do a little spray of this one too. I've been doing this all day, by the way. I don't think it's a repackage. I think there is a distinctive fruit note in the dry down on the Cozy Vanilla Bourbon that is not in Fireside Flurries. It's funny because I actually, I've been spraying this all over the place on every family member going, is this the same scent? My husband was like, oh yeah, they smell the same. He didn't really like go deep on this stuff. He was like, the same scent. My mother agrees with me. She did not think they were the same. They're very similar. I mean, we're talking sibling here, but I think there is a little bit of a difference, especially on the dry down. I get a little bit of that fruit note in this one. I don't know, it's the dark fruit note. It's light on the dry down too. And in the Fireside Flurries, I do think I get a little bit more of the cashmere woods. It's funny because I don't really get pink lavender in Fireside Flurries. I'm not really sure why they put the pink lavender note in here because honestly, I never got lavender from Fireside Flurries. I don't know, pink lavender, any lavender. I always got more of that like warm vanilla foodie scent out of this one. And it's funny because in Fireside Flurries, they don't mention anything boozy. There's like no bourbon, but there is a distinctive bourbon note in Fireside Flurries. So it's kind of strange. Bath & Body Works used to do like 5 or 6 scent notes on everything, and then they kind of pared it down, and now they do like the 3 scent notes on everything. And sometimes the scent notes don't make a heck of a lot of sense. But my conclusion on this one is that especially when you first spray it, and especially in the shower gel, I get a really strong like vanilla dark fruitiness, along with that like kind of toastiness in the shower gel. I get that vanilla liqueur really strong. I don't have another Fireside Flurries shower gel, but I'm gonna say I don't think it's a repackage, you guys. I think there's a subtle difference. So interesting, because I feel like there's a lot of subtle differences going on in some of these scents that Bath and Body Works is now bringing out. Like I said, I tried the Luminous today, and I gotta grab my Dahlia. I think this is like very, very close to Dahlia. There's no pear scent in this, by the way. I don't know where I got pear, you guys. I just grabbed the scent notes off the website because you can get this online if you're an App Rewards member. So the scent notes are Ruby Currant, Gilded Iris, and Praline Amber. And I'm thinking it's the Praline Amber that I'm picking up on the Dahlia. Although the Gilded Iris, I don't know, I kind of smell that in here too. This is a very interesting scent. I actually love it. I've been wearing this like all day, and I'm kind of digging it. So my 2 cents for today have been Cozy Vanilla Bourbon and Luminous, and I'm kind of digging that. Anyway, I am burning Swiss rolls from Goose Creek. That is coming up next, but I don't know. Let me know. Do you think Cozy Vanilla Bourbon is a repackage? I don't think it is. Scooby-Doo mystery all over. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.